Okay, hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how I reserved Devnet Sandbox, and then after successful deploy of Fuel and one controller and 3 compute nodes, basic VNF functionality by spawning 2 VMs in the Openstack and pinging each other. So let's start. At first, in developercisco.com site Devnet Sandbox, if you click and get started, it will transfer us to the cloud shell in Devnet Sandbox Cisco.com RM topology, and under section Devnet we can find opnfv and click on reserve button, which will reserve for us the sandbox of opnfv. After that, and we can deploy fuel and controllers and compute nodes, and after that, when it is running, I will show you how to ping 2 VMs from each other.
Of the opnfv on Devnet Sandbox, we are going to spawn some VMs on Openstack and try to ping between them. So let's start. This is our Openstack. We go under Project Compute Instances, where we can launch, for example, 2 instances, 2 VMs, and try to ping between them. Boot from image, we select the image test VM, and we'll spawn them under the same network, under the same subnet, so they can reach to each other. Now we'll wait till the VM spawn, and then we can try to ping between them. You can see the VM spawning, networking. You can open up the VM and see the logs, what's happening. Yeah, and now we can see the VM. One is spawning, and we will wait until it's spawned, and then we can ping between these 2 VMs. Yeah, here we can see power state is running and status is active, although it is not yet ready. Let me pause the video and then. Okay, we are back, and now we can see the login screen on the VM. It's fully booted. Let's open also the second VM. On the horizon we can see the IP address assigned to both VMs, and we are going to connect to both of the machine and ping to each other. So okay, we do the command with config, you can still see the IP address of this machine, and here is the IP address of the second machine. So let's try to ping between them. Great, it's pinging. Let's try the ping the other way. Perfect, it's pinging. Basically, if we go under the network and network topology, we can see these two machines. Yeah, and they are pinging. They are connected to the same net04 network, and they are pinging each other. That's basically it. Thank you.